Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to go over, well, I'm not going over anything really. I just wanted to repot these cuttings that I put in water like so long ago. I don't even remember when I first put them in there. It's been months, and one of them hasn't even rooted. I don't know if you can see. There's one that has that long root there, and then there's one that has nothing. Like, look at this. How disappointing. I know not all cuttings can root, but it just, it makes me feel like I am not good enough. It wrecks my soul, okay? Because this is a Monstera Adansonii cutting. This is kind of a rare plant, and I was hoping that I would get 2 new plants because I cut 2 things off. But no, the universe is like, just one. You're only gonna get one. You have to sacrifice the other. It's like, great, cool. So today I just wanted to put it in some soil, and that can be kind of risky, so I'm a little worried about it. I'm not gonna lie to you. We'll see. I'll keep a close eye on it, and if it dies, then I will also die. So, no pressure. Alright, so I have this cute little baby terracotta pot. I put like a large rock in the bottom just to kind of like keep the dirt from falling out, because that seems to always happen whenever I like pot anything. It's like the soil just like comes out so much, and I'm like, okay, I'm sick of it. I am sick of it. So I'm putting a stone down there to prevent that. And then I'm gonna get some, ooh! I almost knocked this whole thing over. With just my leg, my powerful legs. Great. And the neighbor is just slamming something down. I'm sorry if you can hear that. It's just so loud. I don't know. So first I'm gonna put some cactus soil, because this plant prefers draining, like well draining soil. It doesn't like to be bogged down in all your drama and dirt, So I'm gonna put some cactus mix in here. No big deal. It's really hard to form a shot where my head isn't half out. You're not dying to see my forehead, right? So it's not like the end of the world. You're like, where's her forehead? It's like, okay, I'm here. My forehead's here. Let me get my regular potting mix, because I want to mix this soil together. So I have my regular potting mix now that I'm going to mix in with the cactus soil. I'm sorry if it's blurry. I literally cannot tell. Like, the screen is so small. I don't think it's blurry. Sorry if I'm frightening you. Alright, so I'm mixing the soil around, and it's being well minced by my fingers. So I'm gonna like sprinkle the rest off. And then I'm pulling these out. Look at that. You see this big mama root right there? Oops, oh my god. I almost ripped them apart. You see that root right there? That's the root I'm talking about. That's where the life is gonna happen, right there. Isn't that fun? And this guy looks fine, but there's just no root. I don't know. I might try it in soil and see if its root nodes respond better to that, but I'm gonna put this in the dirt. Okay. So now that's in the soil, and I'm just gonna pat it down so that it's really secure in there. I'm gonna break this guy off, which is fine. That's where the roots come out. And I don't know if I should try this node and let this one go, because it clearly wasn't responding. No, I'm not doing that. So I'm gonna put this guy in there too, and I'm just gonna see if like it responds better to soil. Because sometimes like soil works better than water. You just kind of have to try them out. It's been in water for months, so I'm sure it'll just die, but not all cuttings will make it, and that's okay. So I patted them down, and I know it looks weird just kind of separated like that, but my hope is that they root, and eventually they'll have to like hunker into the shot. Eventually they'll vine down once they root and everything, but again, they might not root and take to the soil. It doesn't always work out. So we'll see. It doesn't really, even if you do everything right, it still might not work. That's what sucks about propagating sometimes, but if it does work out, then it's great, so you gotta gamble with your plants a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So for propagating, I just use like an old Tapatio bottle, and that seems to be like a fun, cute little way to do it. Obviously you rinse the hot sauce out of it before you do that, okay? So that's the repotting video, guys. I hope that was entertaining somewhat. I'll update you on either Instagram or in another video on how this guy is doing. I'm hoping for the best, we'll see. So anyway, please like, subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment, tell me what you guys want to see, and I will see you in the next one. My neighbors say bye too because they're slamming all their cabinets at once. It's great. Bye!